Welcome to the Law Show, Richard.
Hello.
What can we do for you, Richard?
Well, I recently, about a year and a half ago, I filed a bankruptcy, and I recently checked my credit report, and I find that I was a real estate investor. I had several properties that I gave back in bankruptcy, and on the credit report they show that one that I did reaffirm that's my own property.
Sure.
They show it as a bankruptcy on one spot, and then in another spot they show it as a charge-off. Another property that I was giving back in bankruptcy, they don't even have listed, and I called the county, and it's going up for a tax sale soon. A third one, a bank sent me a 1099 for the difference, and it supposedly was given back in bankruptcy. Now, should I pursue this myself or call a law firm that I was dealing with, or
you can try to resolve it yourself. It's just an issue of there's a number of untied knots. Yeah. You just need to get somebody to tie them up for you, and your bankruptcy firm should be able to do that. But maybe they won't, because what they're used to doing is just dealing with the bankruptcy itself and then moving on.
Yeah, because what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to challenge them on the credit report with each one of the three major bureaus to correct all those mistakes. The bigger issue is the 1099, and that's something that you definitely should not get if you bankrupted out of that debt. You should not be taxed on that. You could have possible legal action against the bank for them even sending that to you.
Isn't that an Unfair Debt Collection Practices Act?
That is. If he's gotten his discharge, they're not allowed to try to collect a debt like that. They're not allowed to tax you on anything you bankrupted out of. So that's a pretty big problem. So that's something you're going to want to talk to an attorney about, either myself or your bankruptcy attorney, if he can handle it. But that is something that cannot happen.
I don't want to call this firm again. I'm not
well,
very happy
give me
with
a call,
what
and I'll help you out.
Just call Justin during regular business hours at 855-LAW-SHOW. Okay, Richard?
Okay, will do.
Thanks for calling Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855